it's pretty cool to ride.
I think you can knock trees down with it still. Wade trying the old Deucin 220. Yeah. It did it to me, but I don't know what I'm doing on them, so it's not real speedy.
No.
Yep, we have made it to, we're at Yoder and Fry today, so our group is...
Make the cost of labor's a little cheaper, it don't matter down there.
Yeah. Our group has grown by a few more this year. We got, I think that's Let's Dig on there. We got SOT Metalworks, Hoover, Dirt Perfect, Wade's in there, and Jason's somewhere. Now Jason's on the backhoe. We'll go see what he's up to. What do we think of the Deucins, boys?
I don't like They're orange.
They're orange, yeah.
They're orange.
Almost a Kubota, but not really.
I didn't leave it out in the field to the
They seem a little slow to me, but I don't know what I'm doing on them.
Look how, like, when you're sticking out and stick back in, stick weight.
Little bit of a hesitation, huh?
What do you like for the clear from there? Yeah, it'll start flopping. You like it, man? It needs to stay in the field and finish turning gray. Slow, ain't it? This one was. That don't seem slow. I think one of the fallopian tubes is clogged.
It's clogged. Alright, I'm running by. Oh, good. We got Mr. Works a lot, the non-Russian here. I think you're supposed to turn the seat all the way around, but you may do it different over in the mother. Huh?
Then you're committed.
Yeah, good point. We got SOT Metalworks, Officer Hoover.
He knows how to run equipment, and then he has to do more.
That's right. Fake it till you make it or something. Yeah, I couldn't run that either. Yeah.
You can't even run damn backhoe here.
No, yeah. I'm all sorts of confused. So yeah, the group's gotten a little bit bigger this year, so this should be interesting.
The good people are here this year.
That's right. Yeah, we got all the good ones. That looks like it fits you just right.
I broke the window getting in.
That did. Did you Dukes a Hazard it or?
Look at this fucking brake pedal. You gotta.
It is kind of a cute little lift.
Adorable. He's just removing my large stuffed animals. Like your,
So is this when they don't want anyone to steal the loader?
You don't always have to park your machine like this. I would be.
I think it keeps the rain out of that window.
That window just got knocked out. Let's see if we can park fragmentation. But there's a whole fragmentation grenade in there. Look at that bucket pin up there. It's got like a piece of rebar.
Rebar. Yeah, that's fine.
That's not what I want.
All right, we got the Honest Cam mass excavating. This is your big guy, your big excavator?
I feel like I'm like rolling like a leader or something here.
That's right. You're kind of dragging your bucket there. So do you do a lot of mass excavating with this, sir?
Man, this is aggregate mining tank.
It looks like it. Oh, full power. Look at that power. She's quick. Look at that power. All right, big logger Wade's gonna show us how it's done. Will it not start? Oh yeah. I think this one's in my pattern, so we'll see. Well, see, it's what we call like the not real operators run. Taking up a little sod. Perfect.
Hey, that dirt's perfect.
It is dirt perfect.
See what old boy's got. He said this one's setting his pattern to work.
One of the proper. Man, the seat's a little rough.
He got some electronics messed up.
Yeah, well, you know, I mean
that's something I can't. I mean, it looks rough. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, it's not bad. That's not a bad rig. It's not that loose. Sluggish, ain't it?
yeah. Got new pins in it though. I think you said it's kind of cosmetically rough, but it's not.
Yeah, I think it's a pretty tight machine. This is a fuller, I think. Hey, let me jump on there while you're running it on the motor. Sluggish, but I think it's pretty snug. I think it's a pretty good rig. I bet all the hydraulics will be turned up a hair on it. How high does it go? So big, and maybe they are just a little slower.
Yeah, I don't know enough about the bigger ones, but it probably is a little bit. I mean, it feels like it's pretty solid. I can at least halfway run it, so that's...
Look out!
They love the cock.
We got Honest Cam on his new to him 1917 roller. The old Detroit. Yeah. More, yeah. I think it's pre-death fluid. Uh-oh. We're gonna roll it over. All right, Cam, so what do we got here?
We're going mining, boys.
Right. Is that your high capacity bucket?
Look, it doesn't even have teeth. They're just...
I don't think you need them if you're only digging down like 3 or 4 inches.
This is a weird pattern.
You gotta put your blade down if you're gonna do some real digging though.
What? Oh, it's the end, yeah.
It's whatever.
Dun, 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 dun. I want one. Oh, shit. That's all attachments and parts.
It's in between cat and deer pattern.
Let's try to see 800 excavator buckets. What do you think of that pattern, probably? I'm getting thirsty. Yeah. Every year I say I'm going to bring a cooler. They need up. I should have stopped at the beer store.
All right, so you finally found you a real machine, huh? Yep. Come on, baby.
Corn!
Oh, yeah. You know, you can do anything with a Yanmar. It's a little smoky.
Oh, it's got the full signature. Y'all got a Dodge jack in there, Rob? It's got, I don't like the swing in and out.
Yeah, it's a little... At least you'll keep the mosquitoes away from you.
I want to watch your toesies.
Yeah. See how Mr. Dirt Perfect does. Tormenting Wade's drone up there. that power, huh?
All that power.
It is quick.
Oh, wrong way.
Where are we going?
That way. Catch that bird behind you.
It's on. That's it. Watch the drone. A little gardening. Just draws into it. Truck out, and what do you know? We've got a logging trailer here.
You ain't taking a logger anywhere.
You gotta see how it pulls, right?
Well, you just log it, you go on vacation and pretend like you're back at work.
Yeah.
You would not expect anything to look like that, would you? Glad you're talking to Indiana. It takes a mile and a half to turn that thing around. That's you, though. That is you all. Oh, yeah. Oh, I just go in there and stand beside it. Very good. Let's go. Make that the thumbnail.